welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a minute. How are you? How are the kids? How's work? How's life? What's the tea? He's talking about who at work. Let me know. I want to know down below. It's been a while since I've recorded a video, so I figured with all the launches in the beauty industry right now, makeup industry, and like all the super saturated foundation and highlight and eyeshadow palettes that are going out right now, I kind of wanted to just go back to what I was doing when I first started YouTube, which is like come talk to you guys about affordable shit that I found. So I figured why not do a Shop MissA haul. If you are an old time subby, throwback subby, OG subby, you know that I did a Shop MissA haul in the past. I've actually done a couple of them. One was an all lipsticks haul to match with the Fenty dupes, and I did another one that was just one big haul. So I kind of wanted to go back and revisit that today. So I picked up some products from Shop MissA, and everything on my face right now is from Shop MissA, including my base, my eyeshadow, my eyelashes. I forgot what the word for eyelashes was just now. My eyelashes, eyeshadow, highlighter, lipstick, brow gel. Well, actually, not the brow gel. Well, yes and no. You'll see. So, yeah, I wanted to bring you guys some affordable stuff and show you guys, you know, you don't have to spend an arm and a leg to look like a big beauty influencer person thing. So yeah, without further ado, if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Oh, before we get on to the review, let me be a good YouTuber and please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Okay. So the goal for today is to get a full face beat using only the Shop MissA $1 makeup products. So fingers crossed. You guys, I picked up so much stuff from Shop MissA and I was shook by my cart price. All of this stuff that I'm about to show you right now, I clocked in around $50 for all of these products, and oh my gosh. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is brows. My brows are looking real upsetting. Like my brows are in distress. So I'm gonna use this brow stencil. This is my first time using this. I think that I want a high arch today. Okay. So this is how we're gonna map out. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. I'm just gonna, okay, so I'm gonna use, I also got like this brow gel. It's the AOA Studio Go Brow Fiber Gel. This was $1. It's like in a brownish color. I thought I got the clear, but I guess I got brown. It's like a dark brown color. It's really small, cute little bottle. I actually really like this. I've been using this for the past couple of days at work, and my brows just look better. But I have been using it in conjunction with my ABH dip brow. So I'm gonna do that today because I didn't find like it's hard for me to let go of like things that like really work for me, and dip brow works for me, and I'm not gonna just buy some knockoff. Let's see, full arch, and okay, let's just you guys, can you tell me what I did wrong here? I didn't remove the plastic inside of the thing so that I could draw on my actual brow. I'm gonna need myself to get it together.
5 minutes later.
Okay, so let's just do this. That's not right.
See, when you do clownery, the clown comes back to bite.
Okay, moving on. That's a no-go, but I do like this brow gel, so I'm just gonna do my brows really quickly. So now that my brows are done pretty much to the best of my ability, I know I look crazy right now. let me get my foundation on and I will look a little bit less crazy. So I am gonna cheat really quickly. I am going to prime my face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This primer is the truth. If you have not tried it, like, what are you doing with your life? Like, what are you doing? Stop this video and like go buy it. So now that I am primed and my brows are on, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with foundation. So I got 2 shades, like I said. So the first shade is Amber and the second shade is Cappuccino. Cappuccino's a little bit darker than Amber, but I feel like I'm closer here. Well, let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Swatch. So this is Cappuccino. Oh no, sis.
It's just about right.
Wait.
Just about right.
What's just about right? That's too dark. Maybe that can be a contour or something. And then this one is Amber. Yeah, I think Amber is gonna be the one. So I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my fuzzy beauty blender with my Mario Badescu skincare spray. And then I'm just gonna put a couple of drops of this on my skin. It puts the lotion on its skin or else it gets the hose again. Speaking of shameless plug, I'm gonna be posting a new like Halloween thing on my Instagram. Every day of Halloween is what my goal is, or every day of October, not every day of Halloween. Literally all of October I consider it as like Halloween month, but every day of October I'm gonna be posting something different for Halloween. And if you guys are into like creepy stuff or scary stuff or special effects or anything like that, you should definitely follow me. And I'll put my handle down below so you guys can go over and follow me. I actually really like the finish of this. It doesn't feel really heavy. It feels pretty light, but I think I'm getting pretty good coverage. So I'm just going to go in with concealer. So listen, I know I said $1 full face. I'm only cheating twice. I'm only cheating with concealer and primer. I couldn't find a concealer that I felt like looked like it would be good on the site. You guys let me know if you try out one of their concealers. I have not yet. I'm gonna use my good old Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm using Taffy. And then I don't dip back in. I usually just use whatever's left over to go down the bridge of my nose, do a little forehead action. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set that concealer. I'm going to use the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder in the shade Banana. This was also from Shop Miss A and it was $1. This is the truth. Like, this stuff is really good. I was really scared the first time I tried it out because I literally decided on a whim to try out this setting powder like before going to work. Like, who does that? I was like, yeah, let's just go ahead and try this new product before I go to work and have like tons of people staring at my face. Yeah, so luckily it turned out well. And then I also take it here and like kind of chisel my cheek in with the setting powder. So I know this looks crazy, but I like to use a heavy hand with setting powder, especially when I'm trying like super liquidy foundations because they have a tendency to slip and slide, and this is really just to kind of lock everything in even better. So while I'm baking, I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the eyes. So I picked up this really pretty palette on the site. It's from the brand Vanity, and it's really cute. It has a lot of really pretty like purples. You can see I've already kind of dug into it when I was swatching. It's really nice. So I'm gonna use that. So I'm thinking like a really pretty purplish brown fall smoky eye with maybe like a little bit of shimmer. I kind of want to top it with this liquid eyeshadow that I picked up from them as well. This is the Glow liquid eyeshadow. And it's like this greenish gunmetal shimmery color. It's really pretty. Like, you guys, that's bomb. I think I'm gonna go in with this like dark purple color right here and see how that looks. Okay, wow, pigment is there. She has checked in to the building. I'm actually really surprised by how pigmented this is. This is nice. And I think I'll do like a halo maybe. I will say though, the shadow is really, really, really powdery. Like, powdery. I am getting some kickback in the pan, and I am getting some fallout. You can see under my eye. The fallout I'm not so worried about. It's fine, it happens. The kickback is a little bit annoying because it can make your palettes look really messy, but I mean, it doesn't really affect the performance of the eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna go in with the liquid and just pop that right on top. I'm gonna go back in and take a little bit more of that purple shade and just kind of blend it into the green. Okay, so this liquid shadow like moves, like it's not sticky. You know, some liquid shadows, when you apply them, after a couple minutes they get sticky and then you can kind of work around them. This one like stays liquid for a while. So as you can see, I have a little faux pas up there because the liquid shadow started like moving, shaking.
Try it with me if you want to. It's not a good day. Okay? Now back to the table.
She was getting real buck. So this eye look has become something different now. I also picked up this really cute like huge jumbo eye pencil. It's by LA Colors. It's like a really nice like hunter green. I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. This is green, like it is green, and it has like this like glitter in it. I was not expecting that. So I am back. I popped on some lashes. I put on the Brianna, and I really like these. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to blush. I picked up the AOA Studio Perfect Blush, and I got it in Stunner. Super cute. That's really cute. Now that we've done that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray my face with the setting spray before I go into highlight and like lips and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and, if I keep this open, spray my face. I got the Zuri Flawless Makeup Setting Spray Semi-Gloss Finish, and this is what she looks like. Okay. I'm gonna let that dry down for just a little bit while I line my lips. I got the LA Colors lip liner pencil in Hazelnut. And I did overline just a bit to give myself a little bit more of a pout. I have a really thin top lip, and it's the most frustrating thing on the planet. Like, if I could just get my lips to be twins instead of distant cousins, like, my life would be complete. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna use this highlighter. You guys, I love this highlighter. It's so good. It's the AOA Studio Power Lighter, and it's in the shade Nebula, and this shade is so bomb. Y'all, do you see this? I am astonished, perplexed. I feel like they can see me in space. I feel like someone is on Mars right now looking down like, damn, that's a fire highlight. That's how I feel right now. The only downside I can see with this is that because it's like a loose highlight, it's really easy to get messy and like get it all over the place and accidentally put somewhere you're not supposed to, which I did, or apply too much, which I also did. But I do love it, and I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. Do you see this highlight? Like, I'm not crazy. I know I'm not crazy. This highlight is really bomb. Like, where have you been all my life? Okay, so final thing I'm gonna go in with is the Cilavi, and this is the Long Lasting Ultra Matte Lip Gloss. So, like, I don't understand how it is ultra matte but also a gloss, because like, anyway, we're gonna try this. I don't see a color, but it's like this I don't know, like it's a nudie pink. Yeah, so this is definitely matte. I don't really see anything glossy about it, so I don't know why they called it that, but this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. What was your favorite product? What product are you guys gonna go pick up? I love doing these hauls because they're budget friendly, and right now the makeup community is super saturated with like product after product after product, and it's all $35, $40, $65. Like, I love doing things that are more affordable for you guys because I don't want to spend that much money. I'm #SaveTheCoins. So yeah, let me know if you guys like this haul, if you guys want me to do more Shop Miss A hauls or affordable hauls, and let me know what you think of this look, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See you later.
You get me so high. I know you wanna talk, but you